Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a way to store your logs, this fire log holder from Art to Real is the perfect addition to your space. So what I love about it is its compact size. It's not very large, which makes it very portable. So you can load it up and then bring it to your fireplace. You can use it indoors, outdoors, take it with you anywhere you need to. It holds a nice amount of firewood. When we fill it up, we can get a few fires out of it, so that's perfect. It's also just the right size so that even when it's loaded with wood, it's still easy enough to carry around. It has a powder coating on it, so for outdoor use, it's rust resistant. It's also got a very nice, simple look. It was very easy to put together. It comes in a few pieces and you can put it together in just minutes. It feels nice and stable, it holds together well, it's sturdy enough. And I really like having it displayed right here beside our fireplace. I think it adds a really nice element of decor, but it's also super functional and does exactly what it needs to do. It's got a really nice rounded handle, the base is secure, and so it holds your logs in place. I think you're going to really like it, and that's my point of view.